Hey, it's Mr. Barr, and we're going to be working with some square roots here. So the square root of 4 I know is 2. That's because 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 2 equals 4. So I did like a little factor tree there. So 2 times 2 equals 4. That means the square root of 4 is 2. Well, what if I get to something like a 12? Well, I can't take the square root of 12 because it's not a perfect square. But I can factor tree it. So it's 2 times 2 times 3, right? Because 2 times 2 is 4 times 3. So I could break this square root up into the square root of 4 times the square root of 3. The square root of 4 times the square root of 3 is the square root of 12. Well, what's the square root of 4? The square root of 4 is 2. So this simplifies to a 2. So the square root of 12 is actually 2 square root of 3. So let's do some IXLs with this. So 20. In order to do 20, I have to factor tree it. So factor treeing 20, let's see, 20 is really what? 2 times 2 times 5, right? 4 times 5. Well, what's the square? That's the 4. What's the square root of 4? 2. 2 square root of 5. Two square root of 5. 18. Well, 18 is really 2 times 9. Yeah? So this would be 2 times 9. Isn't that 18? Yes. And what's the square root of 9? 3. So it's 3 square root of 2. $27. Well, 27, isn't that just 3 times 9? That's 27. And what's the square root of 9? Well, the square root of 9 is 3. So it's 3 square root of 3. Eight. Isn't 8 just 2 times 4? Right? 2 times 4. And what's the square root of 4? Square root of 4 is 2. So it's 2 square root of 2. All right, I'm going to skip a level. They're just going to get harder on the factoring. That's the only difference that's going to occur here. Square root of 25. Nothing crazy there. That's just 5 times 25. What's the square root of 25? Square root of 25 is 5. So 5 square root of 5. Okay, I'm glad we're doing this. So here I have 10 times the square root of 20. Square root of 20 is just, what's that? 4 times 5. Square root of 4 is 2. So I have 10 times 2 times the square root of 5. 10 times 2, 20 square root of 5. 20. Square root of 75, that's 3 times 25. Square root of 25 is 5, so 5 square root of 3. $50, that's 2 times 25. Square root of 25 is 5, so it's 5 square root of 2. Okay, I like this one. So whatever we get, we're going to multiply it by 6. So square root of 45. Square root of 45 is 5 times 9. Square root of 9 is 3. This is going to be 6 times 3, which is 18. Square root of 5. And let's jump a level and see what happens. Just bigger numbers, right? So whatever I get, I'm going to multiply it by 6. Let's see. 175, that's 7 times 25. That's 175. And the square root of 25 is 5. So it's, and 6 times 5 is 30. So 30 square root of 7. 3, whatever I get, I'm going to multiply it by 3. 44 is 4 times 11. The square root of 4 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. So 6 square root of 11. And let's jump a level. Challenge zone. Just bigger numbers. Okay, 294. I don't know. What goes in? 2 definitely goes into 294, right? So 2 times 294. That's 147. 2 times 147. What goes into a 147? A 3 maybe? 49. Okay, there it is. So this is 2 times 3 times 49. Really, if you do that, 2 times 3 times 49 gets you back to the 294. Well, square root of 49 is 7, and what's left inside is a 6. So 7 square root of 6. $98. Where's the challenge in that? Oh, we're in the challenge zone. 98, that's just 2 times 49. Square root of 49 is 7. 7 square root of 2. All right, my last one. Whatever I get, I'm going to multiply it by 7. Let's see. 198. That's 2 times 99, right? 2 times 99. That's really 2 times 9 times 11. And what's the square root of 9? Square root of 9 is 3. 7 times 3 is 21. 2 times 11 is 22. 21 square root of 22. 21. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.